Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to search on YouTube Kids. So if you're not satisfied with the recommended videos and you want to find something for yourself, just look at the top right corner that has a magnifying glass. Just go ahead and tap there and now just search anything that you want. So that's why we're searching for Cocomelon. So here you can see the Cocomelon videos, and in this way you can successfully search on YouTube Kids. There you go. It's really easy. So if you have difficulty typing, right at the top you can see there's a microphone option, so you can just speak. So these are the options to search. Hope this video was helpful.
If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.